I am Akasha Naikude. Today we are going to start standard 5th subject English grammar. 6th lesson, it is simple present tense. In that this is the depend on the questions. On 4th, 5th, 6th, these all 3 lessons are depend on the simple present tense. On 4th lesson we learn about the positive statement. In 5th lesson we learn about the negative statement, and in the 6th lesson we are going to learn how to make the questions there. So first again here see how to make the positive statement. For the positive statement, which formula we use there? Subject plus verb plus yes, yeah, yes. We use there yes, yeah, yes. If there yes, ss, ch, xo, that time we use there yes. Neither we use there yes. For the plural we don't use the yes, yes. Only for the singular we use there yes, yeah, yes. So formula it is for the positive statement yes plus verb 1 plus yes, yeah, yes. Example I given here, see first one, he it is the singular, so I use there yes, yeah, yes. He goes to school. Subject plus verb plus yes, yeah, yes, and the complement it is. So that is the sentence. Next it is with the plural. Plural, I it is the plural, so I didn't use there yes, yeah, yes. So I is the subject plus verb 1 only. So subject plus verb 1. I go to school. For the singular use there yes, yes. For the plural don't use there yes, yeah, yes. That we learn in the 4th lesson, positive statement. In 5th lesson what we learn? About the negative statement, means using does not, yeah, do not. Here it is the formula, subject plus do, yeah, does not plus verb 1. Examples given here, see. He, same it is examples I given here and I translate it in the negative statement. See, he it is the subject. After subject what we take? Do, yeah, does. He it is the singular, so what I use there? Does. After does it is the negative statement, so use not there. After verb 1 go to school. School it is the complement it is. So formula see, he subject does not use there plus verb 1 go to school, that is the complement. That he does not go to school. Next it is same plural, it is I it is the plural, that is the subject. It is the plural, so I use there do. What I use there? Do. So I do not go it is the verb 1 to school. School it is the complement. So see now, only if it is the singular use there does not, if it is the plural after subject use there do not. So he does not go to school. Same sentence, see now, I do not go to school. That we learn in the lesson number 5. Again I wrote here, see, I, we, they, you, these are the plural, so we use there do, and he, she, it, these are the singular, so we use there does. ये सब्जेक्ट होता है तब does यूज करना है, ये सब्जेक्ट होंगे तब do यूज करना है. So after positive statement and negative statement in the lesson number 6 we are going to learn how to make the question. Same it is, see now, formula it is first use do, yeah, does. If the plural use do and it is the singular use does. First use do, yeah, does plus after subject plus verb 1 plus complement, means remaining part of the statement. So what is the formula? Do, yeah, does plus subject plus verb plus complement it is. So we are making these 2 statements questions here. See now that in exercise on page number 15 rewrite the following as questions. First question it is that same it is like this you solve. A and B it is. A it is the plural and B it is the singular. So see now that 2 questions same I am taking here. Here what it is? Singular it is. He does not go to school. So he it is. So what we use there? Does. That is the singular. So first use there does. After does, what is the formula? Subject. Subject what it is? He. After he, what it? Verb 1. Verb 1 it is go. After the complement. Complement what it? To school. And the question mark. Do you understand what we use? Does he go to school? And the question mark. See now, does he go to school? We can ask there. Next it is the plural. I do not go to school. Same it is. What we use first? I it is. Plural it is. So we use there do. Do. After do, what we use? I. Subject. And same it is. Go to school. And the question mark. See now question. Does he go to school? And next it is plural. Do I go to school? Like that question you can ask there. And in the textbook we are going to solve second question. Frame question to which the following are answers. Means given their positive statements, you are making that making the questions there. What is the positive statement? Yes, I sit on the front bench. What is the question? Yes, I sit on the front bench. That is the answer, and you are making there the questions. So I it is. So first what we ask there? Do. I it is. So what we take there? Do. After the do, what is the subject? I. After the subject, what it is? Verb 1. Sit. And same it is the complement on the front bench. And the question mark. See now, do why I use there? Because already I about it is. So, sorry. Here it is the answer about me. So, another is asking the question. So, what we use there? You. What we use there? You. So, he is the asking question and he is answering there. So, he answer about my. So, asking the question, other person is it. So, what we use there? You for the I. So, do you also plural it is. So, do you sit verb on the front bench? Do you sit on the front bench? Answer it is yes, I sit on the front bench. कोई दूसरा पर्सन आपको क्वेश्चन कर रहा है तो वो क्या करेगा? आपके लिए क्वेश्चन करेगा. सो यू आर यूजिंग देयर यू एंड जब आंसर करोगे तब आई होगा. सो दैट इज answer it is. Next it is the question number 3rd. Rewrite the following. Means three types of how to write this using the does. That is making the question it is. So first same. You are taking do ya does. Same it is do. Already in the answer it is do. After the do, here it is the they. Subject. After you are using not. Like. Coffee. What it is? Do they not like coffee? And the question mark. Do you understand? First you are taking do. After the subject. After not. And like coffee. The statement it is. Next it is the same it is do. And after the not. Do not. After subject. They like coffee. Question mark. And after that, do not how we write in the short also. Don't. How you write? In don't. They like coffee. And the question mark. See the questions. Do they not like coffee? You can ask like this also. Do not they like coffee? You can ask like this also. And don't they like coffee? Like this you can ask. So, three types are there. In each statement, these three all are the correct. Anyone you can use there. I hope you understand. Again see, in the positive statement, subject plus verb plus yes, yeah, yes. For singular, we use there yes, yeah, yes. For the plural, we don't use there yes, yeah, yes. In the negative statement, we use formula it is subject plus do, yeah, does not plus verb 1. If the singular it is does not, and it is the plural it is do not plus verb 1. And next it is the in this lesson how to make questions. First do ya does plus subject plus verb 1 plus complement. Here does there is the singular, use does. If it is the plural, use there do. So does he go to school and do I go to school. And here it is the positive statement given there, making there the questions. So first here the plural, so I use there do, and it is you asking the question. So write there you. Do you sit on the front bench? That is the question it is. Next it is the making 3 statements. Yeah, asking the 3 questions. The types given there. Do they not like coffee? After the subject, here taking the not. And in the second, they given the do not they like coffee. After the not, they took here subject. And here in the short they wrote, don't they like coffee? Like this also you can ask there. So here our lesson number 6 over. You solve page number 15 in your notebook. Thank you.